On May 2014, sa pagnanais na makapagbigay ng isang modern, convenient at highly systematic way of earning online, isang company ang nag-conceptualize ng isang business idea na nagmamaximize ng power ng internet. The company is named Topdeals Incorporated or Top Online Provider Deals. Topdeals is an e-commerce company offering an all-in-one services platform with real-time access. It is called the Top Store. Topdeals is registered under the Securities and Exchange Commission, headed by our Chairman and CEO, Mr. Maximo Betito, and President and COO, Mr. Cel Bulano. Today, we have more than 60 master franchises and business centers nationwide with its main office located in Mandaluyong. Now, pag-usapan naman natin kung ano-ano nga ba ang mga services sa ating Top Store. Online loading, bills payment, money transfer, ticketing, hotel bookings, and travel and tours. Ito ang mga top services na ino-offer ng Topdeals. Kung mapapansin natin, lahat ng ito ay basic products and services na kalimitang ginagamit ng halos lahat ng Pilipino. Nangangahulugan lamang na we have a very wide market in this business, aside sa fact na it is 100% online. We have the flexibility of doing this business anytime and anywhere. Let me discuss the services and paano ka kumita gamit ang mga ito. Unahin ko ang loading business. Ngayon, mas pinabilis at pinadali ang pagbebenta ng load gamit ang internet. You can sell loads to all networks, electronic game cards, at maaari ka ring magbenta ng kuryente load at mag-load ng signal prepaid. Maaari kang kumita ng 4% for every successful load transactions. And this can be used as a business or for personal discount. Let me show you how to sell load using our system. On your loading menu, just select the type of network, select the load denomination, ilagay ang cellphone number na loloadan, at i-click ang submit. Ganun lamang kadali kumita gamit ang ating loading service. Hindi lang yan. The system will provide you a transaction report kaya hindi mo na kailangang mag-record manually ng iyong transactions. Topdeals system will do it for you. Bills payment. Every household ay may at least 5 or more bills na binabayaran every month. Sa pagbabayad ng bills, kalimitan nating nararanasan ng mahabang pila, bukod pa sa pamasahe at effort mo just to pay your bills. Now, you can say goodbye to long queues and pay your bills at the comfort of your own home sa tulong ng ating Topdeals Bills Payment Facility. Pay your utility, cable, internet, and telecom bills using our system. Napakadaling gamitin ng ating system. Piliin lamang ang specific bill na babayaran, fill-upan ang hinihinging information na matatagpuan sa inyong billing statement, and click Submit. Ang ating system ay magpo-provide ng printable transaction receipt at makakatanggap rin ng text notification with trace code or reference number to inform you of a successful transaction. Just like our loading system, meron din itong transaction history report for records purposes. We have more than 245 billers in our system. Our bills payment facility ay convenient gamitin for personal use and even as a business. Sa bills payment, earn by charging your client a minimal service fee from 5 pesos to up to 30 pesos depending on the type of bill. Please note that your service charge must be lesser compared to the client's fare or effort to pay for their bills. Money transfer. Our Topdeals system also offers money remittance using Smart Padala. Tulad ng ibang remittance centers, meron din tayong sinusunod na standard set of charges for a specific amount na nare-receive or sinisend ni client. As a dealer, we earn from this service charge. Here's the table of charges for Smart Padala and how much ang ating income as a dealer. Now, punta naman tayo sa pinaka-exciting na business sa ating Top Store, ang Travel and Tours. Under Travel and Tours service, we have the Topdeals airline ticketing and hotel bookings. Topdeals ticketing service allows us to book unlimited domestic and international flights. Topdeals hotel bookings allows us to book unlimited local and international hotels. Sa ating Travel and Tours service, ikaw ay may full control sa iyong income dahil ikaw mismo ang magsiset ng iyong ticketing and hotel booking markup. Maaari mo rin i-customize ang pangalan at logo ng iyong business. Napakadaling gamitin ng ating airline ticketing. Just input your desired destination and select if one-way or round-trip, indicate the dates of flight, how many passengers, and then click search. Isa sa napakagandang feature ng ating system ay ang price comparison. Sa isahang search lamang, makikita na natin ang cheapest flight price ng iba't ibang airlines. Dito, lalabas ang result ng mga available flights based sa iyong input. You have a wide range of choices from price comparison to time preferred ng kliyente mo. Once na nakapili ka na ng flight na ibubook, just click Book Now and meron kang form na pipilapan asking the information of the passenger. Once you are done, just click Confirm and presto, your booking is confirmed. To illustrate further our potential income in the ticketing business, bigyan ko kayo ng isang concrete example. Assuming ang markup na sinet mo sa iyong ticket ay 200 pesos for domestic and say 500 pesos para sa international. Note na ang markup na nilalagay natin ay per pax at per way. Now, halimbawa may gustong magpabook sa iyo na isang pamilya na gustong pumunta sa Boracay for a summer vacation. Sabihin na lamang natin na mayroong 5 members in that family and since this is a vacation, round trip ang kukunin nilang ticket. That's 400 pesos per passenger or 200 times 2 since round trip. So, ang potential income mo for this single transaction is 5 times 400 pesos or total of 2,000 pesos. Now, let us say naman, isang set ng magbabarkada na mayroong 4 na miyembro ang gustong magbakasyon sa Hong Kong. For this particular booking, ang potential income mo naman ay 4,000 pesos. That's 4 times 1,000 since 500 per way per passenger ang markup mo sa international booking. Here's an example of our ticket itinerary. Maring itatanong mo, paano naman ang modes of payment sa bawat transactions? We have what we call a unified wallet fund or master fund. Ito ay isang electronic wallet sa loob ng iyong Topdeals dashboard na siyang nagsisilbing pambayad mo sa bills, tickets, load purchases, at money remittance. Kinakailangan nating lagyan ng pondo ang loob ng ating wallet fund in order to process our transactions. Napakadali lamang ang pagre-request ng pondo. All you have to do is to make a deposit direct sa Topdeals bank accounts. We have BDO, RCBC, BPI, Metrobank, and Security Bank. Just select any of these banks kung ano ang pinakamalapit or convenient para sa iyo. Maaari ka ring mag-online fund transfer kung meron kang personal account sa mga bank na nabanggit ko at naka-enroll ka with online banking. Once you have made a deposit, picturean lamang natin ang deposit slip or screenshot ng fund transfer at ito ay i-attach sa ating master fund request sa loob ng Topdeals system. After that, maghihintay tayo ng 1 to 2 hours for the amount to be credited on your master wallet. Once na-credited na sa iyong account, makaka-receive ka ng text message na okay na ang iyong fund at maaari ka na mag-process ng iyong transaction. Kung mapapansin natin, Topdeals Business offers a wide range of marketable services. No hard selling dahil lahat ng nabanggit ko ay needs or services na talagang ginagamit ng halos lahat ng pamilyang Pilipino. I know excited na kayong malaman at simulan ng negosyo ito. For only 4,980, maaari ka nang magsimula ng iyong sariling online negosyo. What is in the Topdeals Dealership Package? Lahat ng nabanggit ko na top services like travel and tours, ticketing, hotel bookings, loading, money transfer, and bills payment, plus with add-on services and benefits like ticketing transaction overrides, personal accident insurance for 1 year worth 50,000, lifetime membership, and a community builder program incentive. Anong requirements para makapagsimula? Once naunawaan mo na how the business works, maaari ka nang magsimula. Kailangan mo lamang ng smartphone or laptop na may stable internet connection, plus the signed registration form and the system fee of 4,980 pesos and you can start agad. Lahat ng tao ay may pangarap para sa kanyang sarili or para sa pamilya. Subalit ang pangarap natin ay mananatiling pangarap lamang kapag hindi natin sinamahan ng aksyon. Huwag kang mag-alala dahil meron tayong active na team to support you. Plus, may mga online trainings and tutorials na ibibigay sa'yo to help you learn fast in this business. We also have customer representatives for your technical concerns. Kung nagustuhan mo ang napanood mo, all you have to do is click on the link above and sign up. You will receive a call or text from the person who shared this link to you para i-guide ka sa ating registration process. Thank you and looking forward to welcoming you in our team. Start now and be a Topdeals dealer.